Building Java applications with GraalVM. GraalVM is a high-performance polyglot virtual machine that supports multiple programming languages, including Java, JavaScript, Ruby, R, and Python. Efficiency and optimization. One of the key advantages of using GraalVM for building Java applications is its ability to optimize the runtime performance of the code. By compiling Java bytecode into highly efficient native code, GraalVM eliminates the need for interpretation, resulting in faster execution times and reduced memory consumption. Runtime enhancements and compatibility. GraalVM provides a range of runtime enhancements that further enhance the performance and compatibility of Java applications. The ahead of time (AOT) compilation feature allows developers to compile Java code into standalone executable binaries, eliminating the need for a separate JVM installation. Productivity and innovation. By leveraging GraalVM's advanced capabilities, developers can unleash their creativity and build innovative Java applications that push the boundaries of traditional software development. GraalVM's support for microservices, cloud deployment, and virtualization enables developers to create scalable and efficient applications that meet the demands of modern computing environments. Technology and integration. GraalVM's integration capabilities extend beyond Java, allowing developers to incorporate a wide range of programming languages and tools into their applications. Conclusion. In conclusion, GraalVM is a game-changer in the world of Java application development, offering a host of features and benefits that enhance performance, efficiency, and innovation.